The FCC has kind of made it really hard for television, with the birth of cellular phones. What did we lose? 700 megahertz first, and then now it's the 600 bandwidth. I'm Steve Watson. I am the A1 for the Wendy Williams show for John Oliver, Last Week Tonight with John Oliver, and for Samantha B, Full Frontal with Samantha B. This year, a couple of months ago, we replaced all the microphones that were on the Wendy show with the Axient Digital microphones. And it was just seamless and perfect. You know, we put them in, and the next day we did the show, and we were live, and everything sounded great. The RF never dips. It's always solid. I'm always looking back behind me. There's a rack, and I'm always looking over because I'm so used to watching meters on other diversity systems. And these microphones, they are solid on both antennas in the studio. I'm not twisting my neck so much looking at the receivers anymore and paying attention to my mix. You know, I just know it's gonna be there. I haven't had one drop out since we've put them in. With our old system that we had at the Wendy show, we're a live show, and our audio system on the floor would mic up the talent that's coming up for the next segment. And they would say to me, Steve, check in mic 12. And I'd listen in the middle of the live show, and it was cutting out, dropping, not solid. And I'd be like, that microphone's no good. And we would find that it was because they were behind a video wall or off the set a little bit. Since we put Axient Digital in, we have not had one instance of that happening. They've been solid from the time they come from upstairs in the green room all the way down backstage. And I listen to the mic for like 3 seconds, and it's solid. And I look over at the receiver, and it's rock solid. And I just have to get out of the habit of looking at the receiver so much because, it's been totally reliable since we've been there. And we have 2 shows in this building, so there's, a good number of microphones, probably 30 or 40 microphones in the building. So.